Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best solar car battery chargers on Amazon. Solar car battery chargers make it easy to juice a battery almost anywhere on the planet. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. POOXI Solar Car Battery Charger. This charger offers powerful charging and a user-friendly design. It works in cloudy conditions, so you don't need to put it under direct sunlight to charge your car's battery. All in all, the device works on cars, motorcycles, boats, trucks, and many other vehicles. You can recharge any 12-volt battery with it quite efficiently. What's great about this charger is the fact it has a barrier diode to prevent discharges. It's meant for both indoor and outdoor use and features a weather-resistant panel. The housing is made from heavy-duty plastic, so this device should last for quite a while. You'll even get a 1-year warranty just in case you run into any issues. However, we don't recommend this device for heavy-duty outdoor use. It's protected from damages and raindrops, but not completely sealed from water and daily abuse. You'll find it perfect for occasional use. Also, keep in mind that the suction cups might fail to hold the charger. Number 2. Allpower's Automotive Portable Solar Panel. Those who are looking for an inexpensive solar charger might find this model perfect for their needs. The device powers up 12-volt batteries and is great for cars, motorcycles, tractors, boats, and other vehicle types. It's easy to use and highly portable, which makes it ideal for off-road situations. This is a monocrystalline silicon panel that works in all daylight conditions. It's water-resistant and has a blocking diode for reverse discharge prevention. Overall, the charger is quite useful, efficient, and safe for batteries. Because it's not overpowered, the device doesn't cause damage to batteries and extends their lifespan. It even comes with an 18-month warranty and suction cups for easy mounting. When it comes to the design of the charger, the only thing that might bother you is the quality of the frame. Number 3. Sooner Power 12V Solar Car Battery Charger and Maintainer. This is a 12-volt car battery charger that uses solar power to recharge and maintain batteries in cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and more. As long as you place the device under enough sunlight, it will successfully recharge any battery and keep it at optimum performance. The battery charger works on wet, gel, SLA, AM, deep cycle, and many other battery types. The solar charger comes at a reasonable price and is packed with outstanding features. First of all, it has a built-in blocking diode that prevents reverse discharge and accidental drains. Secondly, the device is made with durability in mind. It features strong solar glass and a sturdy ABS frame that can withstand quite heavy loads. Thirdly, the solar charger is super easy to use, highly portable, and comes with a 1-year warranty. However, if you need a solar charger that will work on different electronic devices and not only vehicles, the Sooner Power one is not the best choice. Number 4. SunApex Solar Trickle Charger. The SunApex charger uses amorphous film technology for charging batteries in all weather conditions. It's a 12-volt device you can use on different battery types and make sure you never end up without power when off the road. Furthermore, the charger comes at an attractive price and is suitable for all budgets. The charger generates electricity quite well and comes with a built-in reverse diode to prevent discharges. It's pretty easy to use and maintain. The charger comes with a weatherproof design and a sturdy ABS plastic frame. You can use it anywhere and anytime on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and other vehicles. There's even a 1-year warranty for an extra peace of mind. The thing that might bother you the most about this charger is the quality of the connector cable fasteners. They are challenging to slip into the battery clip cables. Number 5. Battery Tender 5W Solar Maintainer. Battery Tender offers one of the best solar chargers on the market. It's a large and wide device that works both as a charger and a maintainer. You can even get it in 5 and 15 watts according to your needs. The solar panel offers 3-step smart charging and overcharging protection. It's incredibly easy to operate and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Along with providing excellent current flow, The device also comes with sturdy construction for even better performance and ultimate durability. The device has a weather and spark-proof design and features a temperature compensation sensor. It's perfect for outdoor use and works great in all daily conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.